Welcome to Search Property.
Hey, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
I get up probably around 5:45 to 6 o'clock, and I actually pick up my phone, which is the worst thing that you should do. But I look at what's broken and what's not broken.
What's one word to describe your work ethic?
Work ethic, discipline. Hi, by the way.
How do you take your coffee?
I don't drink coffee. I'm actually off caffeine altogether. So even with Coke Zero, it's no caffeine.
What inspired you to start investing in real estate?
Dad. Yeah, Dad.
What is your favourite thing about Sydney?
I absolutely love the weather. So I know that it's raining currently, but I actually love winter. I love summer. It's all good.
What is your favourite property type to invest in?
Whatever the numbers make sense.
What is the most rewarding part of hosting a podcast?
I guess it's just being able to connect with people, knowing people's stories. I love it.
How do you unwind after a long day?
A wine, or maybe some meditation.
What is one piece of advice you'd give to first-time home buyers?
I would block out all media and focus on your own strategy. That's the key.
What's your guilty pleasure TV show?
I think we can answer this one together. 3, 2, 1. The Office.
The Office.
What's a habit you're proud of?
Habit I'm proud of. Again, discipline. Showing up every day, doing the exact same thing.
What's your favourite holiday destination?
I'm going to say Thailand. I love the food. It's, mixed between the water and people. It's good.
What is the best investment you've ever made?
In myself.
What inspired you to start Search Property Buyers Agency?
I just realised that people needed help along with my friends, so I thought, why not?
What is the biggest mistake buyers make during their property search?
They listen to the wrong people and don't do enough education.
And what's the most interesting thing you've learned from a podcast guest?
Most interesting thing was probably around how you overcome failures. People that we interview, founders, so they go through failure all the time.
Who has been your biggest mentor?
Probably my business coach, and then along with that, Alex Hormozy. So anyone doesn't know, Alex is all alpha.
What's your go-to productivity hack?
Go-to productivity hack. I don't spend longer than 5 minutes on social media at any given point.
What is your favourite Sydney restaurant?
Lumi, definitely Lumi.
What is the best piece of advice you've ever received?
1 + 1 = 3 when it comes to recruiting the right people, so you compound.
What's a book that changed your life?
The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle.
How does Search Property differentiate itself in terms of client service?
We have a dedicated account management team. A lot of people have the same person taking care of the sourcing as well as the account management, but we have a dedicated team there.
What's your current favourite app on your phone?
Insight Timer for meditation.
What's a skill that you're currently learning?
Being a better reader.
What's something you're most proud of in your career?
Teaming up with this guy.
And lastly, what's next for Ravi Sharma in 2025?
The new book, Retire Filthy Rich with Real Estate. Let's do it. That's a wrap. Well done, team.
Yeah. 2 weeks ago, you guys would have seen this video. Oh. That was so... I'll go properly. Yeah. 3, 2. 2 weeks ago, you guys would have seen this video. Oh no! So hard!
Wait, do you want me to press play?
2 weeks ago, you guys... Anyone else have anything, guys? All good?
No, we miss you guys here in Thailand though.
Oh, you're in Thailand?
Yeah,
Oh, nice. How is it?
it's great. I love it. It's
I'm surprised you're on. What's the time there?
Yeah. We're having a great time. time. See you inside.
That's good. What's the time?
5:30.
5:30 in the morning and you're alive.
Yeah. We miss you though.
Oh, we miss you too.
I miss you guys so much I couldn't sleep, that's what it was.
Oh, that's why you're alive. That makes sense.
With the new CRM, sales is moving over today. So we're going to visit, it'll pass the deals on to completed deals once a pipe drive for you guys. But there'll be a bit of a change in the process. It'll be a bit iffy for the first week or so.
Yeah.
But then once you guys have moved over fully, it'll be much easier. But
Okay.
we'll go through that later, I think.
Okay, alright, well, so let's do a test, see if it works.
Yeah.
If it doesn't, we'll send it manually.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Thanks, guys. If you need anything, just let me know. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Bye. And have a good one.
Hello, I'm Stephanie. I'm the team leader for the account management team. However, the guys, Ravi and Deepak, are away this week, so they're celebrating Ravi's wedding. They're in Thailand, lucky things. So I am acting general manager for this week, so pretty much overseeing everything that's going on in the office, dealing with escalations, and if there's any issues, fingers crossed everything's been running smoothly so far. I mean, it is only Wednesday, so we've still got a bit of time to go, but fingers crossed everything runs smoothly, and we'll see them back next week.
It's been in the news this week, a lot of flooding up in Townsville. Have you had many client calls asking you about that?
Yes, we definitely have. It is all over the media. Funnily enough, upon speaking to a lot of our agents, sales agents and property managers, they are saying it's actually not as bad as what the media portrays, which a lot of the time that is true. But yes, we have had clients called up concerned about the flooding. Now, none of our properties have been affected, and we're not purchasing in any of those areas that are affected by flooding. We're very, very strict with the properties that we purchase, and we ensure that they're not in flood zones. So yeah, we are safe from all the flooding.
Okay, we have flowers. We have flowers. Taken, how many shops have you been to? Do you go to?
3 now?
And we've been to 3 as well. So finally got there. Search property vibes.
Yeah.
Live life, breathe air, am I right? Let's go, bitches.
I'm so nervy.
I'm so nervous.
I'm gonna pick it up.
What do I do? This is so awkward. I feel really awkward right now. Literally gonna have a heart attack. Excuse me, guys. Happy Valentine's. We're just giving out some roses to guys today. So happy Valentine's. Have a good one. Yeah, there you go.
What did you say?
I said, hey guys, we're just giving out some roses today. Happy Valentine's. I'm going to this guy. Ready? Excuse me, happy Valentine's Day. Okay. Excuse me, guys, happy Valentine's. We're just giving out some roses today. Have a good one.
Thank you.
No worries.
This way? This is so awkward.
It's not. It is.
Hi guys, we're giving out flowers for Valentine. Nope.
No, thank you. Thanks anyway.
See? Just giving out roses for no, okay.
Thank you.
There you go.
Do you know what? Thank you.
There you go. Hey, what's baby? It's a rose. A free rose. Would you like a rose?
No.
Hi there. Would you like 2 roses?
I really like one.
Yeah, for you.
Oh, really?
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. No, not yet.
You stop. I get scared every time you pull up with the camera. It has to be here because it has to be at the desk.
I did say that. I was like, he's not gonna like it.
What's your name? Stand up. And
What's this for again?
And I do this. I saw the vlog. Does that make sense? Stop.
Okay, what is your name and what do you do?
My name is George. I'm senior property consultant here at Search Property. And in terms of what I do, I talk to people about our process and help them build out a strategy with investing in property.
Can I ask you a quick question?
Yes, you can.
How are you finding it with everyone being away this week?
It's different. Yeah, it's good fun. A lot going on. Bit different with a couple of the people in management gone, but yeah, good fun. Couple learning experiences.
Have you been working on anything important this week?
Oh, that's a secret. You'll find out soon.
What is your name and what is your job title here?
My name is Sahana and I'm a property consultant.
And what have you been doing this week?
This week I've had a lot of assessment calls. Yeah, it's been busy. Just assessment calls. Yeah, new leads, follow-ups. It's gonna be a month, I think, on today. Actually, I don't know. No, I think in a couple of days it's gonna be a month. Yeah.
How have you found it so far?
Really good. Everyone is really sweet. I think the people make it really fun. But yeah, it's really good.
What is your name and what do you do?
My name is Kerry and I'm the marketing executive here in Search Property.
What does your job involve?
Kind of a bit of everything. I do some email marketing, I run the LinkedIn, I'm involved in a lot of new projects coming up, so keep an eye on all of our socials for them to go live.
Hey Kevin, how are you, mate?
Yeah, good. How you going?
Really well, thank you.
Yeah, good. I thought I might give you a call before I send this email. Yeah, I'm gonna put an offer in for...
Right, mate. Sounds good.
Yeah, you reckon I could get it?
I'll try my best for you.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, no. Hopefully I'll know by today, then I'll get the buyer's details by tomorrow or day after, within this week, yeah?
Too easy, mate. Sounds great.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, cool. Thanks. I'll send you an email now.
No worries. Thanks,
Okay, thanks, John.
See you, mate.
Okay, see ya, bye. Yeah, there was a off-market deal. Came through today. They just signed the contract for sales. I know this agent for a long time. Like, we've been dealing with a few months. I bought like more than 5 properties with him. He gave me the first chance, and then asking was a bit higher, but you know, we negotiated and then I can get the buyer straight away. So hopefully we can get that accepted and secure the deal for a good price. You know, very like early stage, because I've been talking about this property 2 weeks before he even got the contract with the sales like seller, because he knew that this property is coming soon. So he just contacted me. So I just did all my background research before I know that I can go ahead. So I could move pretty quick. So I had a few agents that giving me this information way before they even get this contract. So I'll do all the background works beforehand, so I can put offer in straight away when I'm ready.
My name's Christy and I am a sourcing manager here at Search Property. So what we do is basically source the properties, speaking to agents non-stop throughout the day, trying to find the best deals in the markets that we're buying in. It's been very quiet in the office, and normally there's some big characters around the office, so it's definitely a lot quieter, and I've just taken the opportunity to touch base with some agents that I haven't done so in a while, especially in some areas that I haven't bought as much recently in, so just kind of touching base with those agents. Yeah, so the flooding isn't too much of a concern for us. We are very thorough in our due diligence when we're buying for a client, so we make sure that we're buying in areas that are not affected by flooding and that are forecast to not be affected by flooding at all.
Looking at some venues for both the tour and for the book launch.
He's like a big deal.
Do you want to win here? In Sydney, and we're like, they look like they could be famous.